Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable voice message on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have enabled the voice message. I'm able to send voice message to my friend on Discord, and I'm going to show you how you can get this feature on your Discord PC. Okay, first of all, you can go to your browser and then you can search for this website, Vencur.dev, and after you have opened it, you can click on download Vencur, and you can choose your computer operating system, and mine is Windows, so we can select Windows and then we can click on download Vencur installer. Okay, you can download it, and then I have already downloaded the Vencur installer, so I'm going to open it. Okay, and you can click on install until you get this notification, successfully patched. Click on OK, and then we're going to go back to the Discord application. Okay, you're going to open up the Discord and you will be able to send the voice message. Okay, I'm going to try to send a voice message to my friend. Click on send voice message and click on start recording. Hello, hello, hello. And I'm going to stop the recording and click on send. Okay, and now the voice message has been sent to my friend. Recording. Hello, hello, hello. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable voice message on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.